The 1965 Ford Mustang by Ringbrothers Ballistic is a masterpiece of engineering and design. This restomod takes the iconic 1965 Mustang and transforms it into a high-performance machine with modern enhancements and meticulous craftsmanship. Built by the renowned Ringbrothers, this Mustang is a true collector's item. Under the hood, the Ballistic Mustang is powered by a Ford 5.8-liter stock motor, delivering impressive performance. The car's power is transmitted through a Bowler Tremec T-56 Magnum 6-speed transmission and Johns Industries 9-inch 355 gears rear end. The advanced suspension system, including DSE hydro-formed front subframe with 4-link rear suspension and front sway bars, and RideTech shocks, ensures exceptional handling and stability. The HRE Ringbrothers Edition recoil wheels, with front 18 by 10.5 and rear 19 by 12 sizes, are paired with Nitto Invio tires, with front 295 by 35 R18 and rear 325 by 30 R19 sizes. Exhaust and brakes features a Flowmaster 44SS exhaust system with Ringbrothers custom headers, providing a powerful and distinctive sound. The braking system includes bare monoblock 15-inch front and 14-inch rear brakes, ensuring strong stopping power and control. The car features a sleek body finished in BASF Glasur at 90 line, Blue by You, Porsche M5J, giving it a striking appearance. Step inside the Ballistic Mustang and you'll find a cabin that combines luxury with functionality. The interior is designed with high-quality materials and attention to detail, providing a comfortable and engaging driving experience. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, and the dashboard features modern digital displays that seamlessly integrate with the car's advanced systems.